everyone. Today I'm going to be unboxing my new Bernina L890. I did a massive upgrade for my store because I needed to. My old serger broke. It was like the really cheap brother one. A great starting serger, but for the more heavier items and the more things that I want to do, I needed to get an upgrade. So I went to my local sewing shop and I found this bad boy for half off, which is insane for the price. You know. So we're gonna unbox everything that I got, including this big bag I got for free, paid for it with the sewing machine, but it was an add-on. Didn't have to get this, so very happy they gave this to me too. But this big bad boy is a rolling bag. Handle, everything is super heavy, so I'm struggling with it, but we'll see kind of what came in here. So I felt stuff on the side of the pocket. So it looks like we just have more tools for the sewing machine. Your little thread catcher, and then the little standard thing that you put on it to make it a little bigger, but it also came with a bigger one, but this is the standard stuff that comes with it. There is my presser foot. Of course, big mighty presser foot that you need for this. Inside comes with all of these little gadgets right here, these little containers for extra storage, which is great. This is a great travel bag too. I usually don't travel as much, but this would be good if I ever need to travel. Came with another bag. I'm not sure what this is. The cover for the machine. Always nice to have so it doesn't get all dusty on there. So definitely will be using this for when I'm not using it. Our big manual, of course. I'm gonna have to really read through this because this is a fancy machine. If you know this machine, it has a screen on it. It has this fabric sensor that you can put what type of fabric it is, and it'll automatically change the tension and everything like that. It also has the air threading. Amazing. So I have to keep threading it myself. So this comes with all the accessories and all the information. Big old manual right here, but that you can attach to make it bigger so you have more space. So this is probably the size that I had for my old serger, and this is the new one. So definitely want more space to put your fabric on and to work with, which is what I want because I do sweaters and different things like that. So it makes it a lot easier. Also have these two little tins that came in here with some extra little tools. So some new needles, some other small things, more stuff. Just generic stuff that you need for your serger, so little cone holders and some oil, things like that. All right, let me see if I can get this bad boy out because she is heavy. Oh, okay. Ah! Here it is, so you can see it. Let me lift it out here. So as you can see, it has a screen. This is an overlock sewing machine. And it is the basic serger, so it's a 2-in-1, worth the money, honestly. Oh, she's falling. All right, I'm gonna put her down. Oh, so I think that's it for the inside, but just to show you how spacious and how big this machine is, that fit the whole thing. So that is the bag and everything that came inside it. So let's get this machine hooked up. So this is the area I'm working with. I have my brother regular sewing machine right here, and I'm gonna put my serger right in this spot and get it all connected and ready to go. Foot plate, whatever, actually has a cord underneath it. So this is where I'll get the cord out. This is the cord for the machine. All right, this is the Bernina L890, and she is so pretty and perfect. So this is kind of what I saw in the showroom when I went. This over here is all the information for your overlock stitching. So basically like your standard thread right there, kind of what you do for a t-shirt. And then this other side will be for the serger part, which is what I'm used to. So this is a new concept for me. So let's see. So this is the main dashboard right here. And we have different modes. You can do guided mode, which is what I'll be using because I am not an expert yet. But they also have expert mode if you know what you're doing already. But I am on guided mode, so I'll be over there. But I want to show you this other stuff. This is the thing I was talking about with the changing of the threading and everything like that. So if you're working with this and you want the basic, I don't know, this one, the basic serger. So this is gonna be an overlock and chain stitch, and it has the different needle that you'll need, the different threading. It'll start doing it on its own and it'll change everything by itself. So I think that is super cool. It has a lot of cool stuff. I mean, different things that you can do, different threading and everything like that. So really cool. But threaded, so you can change all your things here, the overlock, underlock, whatever. And they explained all this stuff to me. So I'm not gonna explain it in here because I don't know what I'm really working with yet. But you can like save things that you want. So really cool, and I'm very excited to start using this. And I kind of wanted to show the difference of the plates that I was talking about. So this is the standard one that it comes with. So you can just put it here, and this kind of looks like my other one. And it's just the little standard one, the smaller one. But I definitely will be using this big bad boy because this helps so much, just having extra room. Move it. Look at that, all that room. That is like amazing. I'm not used to that, or honestly used to having all this room here. My old one was so small, so I can fit my bigger materials in here and it'll be perfect. This is the thread catcher, so it'll go right here and sets in like that, but I want to open this up. We have your standard tools that you're going to need. I like that it's in here already, so it's ready to go. And then here is the air threading. So you literally like put them in here into place on the top, and then you kind of just hover the thread, turn it on, and it'll suck it through the needle over here. Crazy. And I saw that, so it's really cool. I like that a lot. So in here is all your, you know, machinery and stuff that you work with. I cannot wait to start doing it. I had my business on hold for like a month trying to figure out what I wanted to do with the new machine, but I'm so happy I have one now and I can start making my custom things again. So I'm excited to start doing that, and I hope you guys enjoyed this little small walkthrough of my new machine unboxing, but not really a tutorial because I don't even know yet. So I will start learning and start posting very soon.